Welcome. You join me in actually a free car park. I haven't heard of that in all my years I've been on this earth, but you know, come to a local park, literally just a 5-minute drive away pretty much, and I'm aiming to shoot some autumnal nature shots, basically a golden hour. You know, you got the lovely autumn colours and all that, you know, the oranges and the reds, a little bit of greens, leaves on the ground, that kind of thing. Got the chest mount on. Ask me what I'm going to do this time. Am I going to point the GoPro high? Yes, I am. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So yeah, just a nice little relaxing POV video again. Because you lot loved the last one. Got like 500 views or something like that. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Shooting on the A7R III, Tamron 28-75, backwards zoom and focus ring. Yeah, I know. I did spot a shot over here as I was driving it. That is a fantastic shot. There we go, that's better. Oh my God. Just warming up really, just seeing what kind of shots we can actually get. Meet up my aperture, try and get the other woman in focus as well. And with the dog. Oh, I love those. Get on through it, shall we? Oh, my aperture. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, these are beautiful. Set my ISO at like 400, good base at this time of day, I'd say. What are you focusing on there?
So I rang him and we had a bit of a catch up.
Did you hear that? She rang him and had a bit of a catch up. Can you beat it, is my question. Wind up my aperture, hold down the shutter speed. I can hear someone running behind. Let's try and get the whole tree in there. Go on. Go on, mate. Yeah, oh no. I want to get both of you, both groups. See here, look at all that detail in the sky, if you can see. I'm going to get down low to the ground here. Put my camera up a little bit. Well, I thought that was a lot nicer than it actually was. Nah, it's fine. Trust in the Sony dynamic range, baby. Fun fact, you know what I heard the other day? You can't take a bad picture with a Sony. That's just facts. Try and tell me I'm wrong, because you simply cannot. Oh, that's a better composition. Rule the thirds. Got the boys on the left, the path on the right. Sort of relatively in the, you know, if there's 3 lines, they're kind of in 2 of them. Shut up, man. I'm just pointing and clicking. I 100% know what I'm doing. Where's the sun gone, bruv? There's too many trees here, so I should have come here earlier. Oh well. It was golden hour for about 3 seconds. You live and you learn, eh? Gonna get another one off the path. All the way down. Wonder if my man knows it's him that I'm photographing, because it absolutely Positively is. I'm gonna have to tilt my screen up for this because it's gonna be tough. Let's get even lower. Yeah, I'm deliberately pointing the camera down there. Who's not looking at Tom's legs today? Exactly. I focused on absolutely nothing at the end there, but you know what? I'm vibing to it. The sun is supposed to be over there. Well, it is. It's not like it's gone anywhere, but... Oh, that shot is brilliant. Oh, I already love it. How do I get there? How do I get to them without them knowing? No, those trees are shit. Okay. Now, this lens is currently fully extended at 75mm. Do you think I can subtly snipe that person perfectly in between those two trees? Oh my god, as the people there walk by. Shut up. Shut the front door. Shut the funk door. Crazy. Let me get a landscape one as well. Really am taking my sweet time with this one, aren't I? That's the thing, if you have to take your time to get one shot, then that's what you gotta do. Let's get even lower. I'll just, you know, fire off a load of random shots. And then boom. You snipe him in his element. I wonder what I'll be like with a prime lens. To be honest with you, I imagine that'll suck. Oh, this is sick. What am I focusing on there? Bit wider. Yeah. Bit wider again. That's as wide as I go. Me when I eat a full Chinese dinner. That's as wide as I go. Oh, look at that hill. Wind up that aperture. Zoom in just a touch. People for scale. There's the sun. It's bloody on the other side, that's why. Jesus. I've been cocked by the sun. It's all the way down there. Busy around here. Oh, that tree looks sick. Oh, you know what? I've taken a picture of this tree before, but it didn't look that good. Oh my god, look at the sky. Pray for Sony's ability to capture shadows. Okay, no. Way less aperture for this one. Bold of me to assume that I know what I'm doing. Okay, you know what? Maybe I'm not as poo as I thought I was. Can we snipe them? F2.8. The lowest we go. Let's see what that looks like. Let's see what we can do here. Try and compose an image quickly. Come to Papa. I swear it went slower for me just then, my guy. If you had smell-o-vision on while watching this, I don't know why, but this part of the park reeks of, for lack of a better word, shit. Like, quite bad. It's kind of crazy. Come on, man. I'm trying to compose an image here. Oh, fuck me. Well, good luck hearing me for this next part of the video. Oh. I can see people all the way over there on the bridge. And I kind of want to get them. Oh, wait, what? They got off. No, they're not. Still there. And he's on another bridge. Ooh, what are these lights? Hello. What do the lights mean? Oh, fuck, this is a two-way street? Sorry, mate. Hey, yo, my bad, G. Come on, I gotta be able to get something better than what's already here. Man stands at a fucking bridge and takes a photo. I'm gonna up my ISO a little bit. God damn it, bruv. Just for this. Oh, hello. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this very much. Right, okay, let's do that long exposure then. 1/30th. Ah! And that is why you get a lens cover. Oh. Take a deep breath. Ah, I rocked it. Right, okay. Let's go even crazier. 1/5, and let's lower my ISO. Okay, is the camera stable-ish? How sharp's the image? You know what? That is not bad. Okay. Okay, we're in the big guns now, baby. Pulling out the big guns. 1.3 seconds. F22 and we're overexposed. ISO's the lowest it can go. That was so long, oh my god. 1 second, that seems way more doable. Everything is in focus. Not when my hand's rocking, I don't know, let me just get a normal photo. We've experimented with long exposures enough for today. ISO up. Oh yeah. Just the classic. All reliable. Right, okay. Gonna skip this bit because absolutely nothing happens around here.
Yeah, Megan's taking Charlie all the way down to Duffield.
Wow. All the way down to Duffield? That's a long distance, isn't it, Megan? To take Charlie? I'm sorry, but look at that. Leaves either side, it's like perfect. I truly wish, one, that I was a car photographer, because that seems pretty sick, but I do wish that I just imagine, like, you know, if you took a car down here, how sick would that be? Realistically. Something's buzzing next to my ear. Go away, mate. Listen, lads, don't fall. Arms out for balance. Are they even dogs? Yeah, they are. I'm a wildlife god. Let's not even beat around the bush here. Slav squat. Posted up. Focus on my duck friends. I wish I had a longer lens. Ha, that's what she said. I'm using poor humour as a coping mechanism for my bad photos. Is it obvious? Shot from down here, up at the trees. F8. Why am I shot down a bit? 25, maybe not F8 then, Jesus. Yes. Yes. I should have taken more. Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm trying to get this ball down.
Oh, is it stuck up there?
Yeah.
Do you need any help or?
Yeah, it's all right.
Okay. Gotcha. Good luck. See, go off the beaten track, and that might be where the bangers lie. Why am I shut down? I'm trying to retain the detail in the sky, which is why I'm winding my aperture so high and just praying that my camera's ability to capture shadows and highlights in, you know, a close setting is good enough, really. Okay. I know I'm a bit of a fanboy, but we can all come together, us camera users. You know, if you're shooting on a Sony, a Canon, a Fuji, Olympus, Pentax, I know you're out there, we can all come together and just laugh at Nikon users. Do you know what I mean? We can all, that's how we're all united as one community against Nikon. And I think that's what we need to remember in life, to stay positive against Nikon, obviously. Obviously, I'm joking. If you use a Nikon, please don't unsub or unlike or dislike. You know, we're all good, but it's just the way it is, you know? I'm truly sorry that this is how Nikons are viewed, but I can't help it. It's just the way of things, I'm afraid. Let's see how my camera does focusing on the moon. Oh, you're struggling now, aren't you? I've never really done much night photography with me Tamron. Oh no, turn manual focus off. Way back out of F18. He had no idea I was shooting him. It's like I've got a suppressor on. Back to my car. And just, you know, just enjoy. Just relax. This is where it really, I mean, this lens is just great. Look how dark it's focusing. And it really has no issue with it at all. It's kind of fascinating. That's my argument, and bloody look at that. That is just sick. I love autumn. And, plot twist, I love winter too. Summer is frankly overrated, in my opinion. So, how do you like them apples? Tomm.flynn viewers. Would you look at that? To my Australian viewers. It's only 52 minutes to Melbourne. Well, that's some bollocks, because you're on the other side of the bloody world.
I was just thinking it's really difficult because...
Yeah, bro. I mean, it's crazy because I was also thinking that it was really difficult. And like, oh my God. Come on, Sony. You're supposed to be able to see in the dark. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what you're supposed to be capable of. Let's see what that looks like. That's 6400 ISO. That should be the grainiest grain. What I'm saying is it should be the grainiest photo known to man, so come on. Oh, there is a person, yes. Right, wind it down to sort of 32 hundo. Camera's hunting. Oh no, I'm on 160th. Right, I'm poised, I'm ready to go. Oh, there's so many people. Why are you all meeting at one point? God damn it. Yeah, go on. Why does it feel like they're gaining on me when I'm walking really fast? Surprise, last minute shot. Ooh, art is everywhere. Dude, is that the car from Sunrise Car Photography by Tomm.flynn? Back at the height of COVID when he worked. Dude, is that Tomm.flynn? I'm such an idiot. Ignore me, please, feel free. I'm knackered. Oh my God. Right, well, 1 hour and 7, and I don't know if you can see here, 1 hour and 10 is how much my SD takes. So To me, that's pretty perfect. Thanks a bunch for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment once again if you like POV stuff. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a bunch for watching. See ya.